Dude, I like the design of this card with the RCs all in the back. Behind them.
Shit. I can't.
You can actually see if I can. Here, I'll see if I can get it higher.
No, here we go. Got it. Done. Look at this. Nice and curved. Bet.
Here, you can tighten it.
Oh, it's good.
Short swivel always to the left.
You can go up there. Look, that's all.
Let's go. You guys get to see a live break from the store. You get to see what the hell's going on here. It's great. It's banging. It's lit. It's fire.
Poppin',
It's
drippy,
hashtags.
probably nothing.
Probably nothing. It's probably nothing.
Is Mosaic good at its basketball?
Fucking fire. Tighten up.
Lock it up.
You're in here every day. Tighten up.
Lock it up. Lock it up.
Lock it up.
Lock it up. Tighten up.
Tighten up.
Lock it up. Look at this idiot.
Come on, you gotta-
Simu. Simu Fico. Get out of my box.
Get out of my box. Let's go. What up? Get high. You ready to have some fun? You gonna hang for the break?
Can I?
Yeah.
Sure.
Do you need sleeves or anything? Everything?
I got sleeves. I need my drink.
This one's mine.
Where the hell's mine?
I don't know. You take it up? Yeah, this is mine because I got the soft.
Here it is.
Oh, there you go.
Need my drink. Yeah. Nice and simple. Thank you. Let's go.
Simple.
We're drinking. We're ripping. All right. Truax is going to figure out how to post this. I'm ripping here at the bar. You haven't ripped with me here at the bar yet, so. I got a buddy, Bobby No Phone. The only smart thing he's ever said in his life is you can't drink all day if you don't start in the morning. So guess what we did today?
I like that.
Guess what we did today?
We started early.
We started early. It's a fact. It's a fact.
We're not quitters, for sure.
That's a fact. Yep. So here we go. 3 boxes of Mosaic. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. Good luck, boys and girls. I think Jenny from the block's in this. You don't know Jenny from the block?
Nope.
Whose nickname is that?
Jennifer Lopez.
What a piker.
Yeah. Well, he's like 4 years old. He doesn't know.
What a piker. Give me that trash
I know
bag.
that she's awesome.
Yeah, I'll throw that.
There's no bag in it. Here.
No, let's do it. He's fixing it.
Thanks. I like that.
Oh, I love Mosaic.
It's ridiculous.
They're so
Don't,
cool.
here, don't think Jenny from the block is grandma's age.
Yeah, exactly.
Probably is.
Are you crazy? I gotta figure out how to use this camera here. What is this thing? What is this? Instabook Talk? Oh my god, I love this stuff. Are you kidding me? Mosaic? Stop.
What's the design look like this year?
Same.
Yeah. A little bit different. Oh my God, Danny.
Danny, I still think he's got a shot.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
Don't give up.
Udoka. If this guy could ever figure
Bet that
out.
guy.
No.
Yeah, huh?
Stop.
Yes, I did. Iverson Classic 2020 or 2019.
I don't believe it.
I have pictures.
False.
Devin McCormick, all these guys.
Nico. PJ Tucker, silver, he's acid.
Ooh.
Brandon Clark.
Red?
Obi. Russ.
That's a cool insert.
It is a cool insert.
Oh, and you want to get the top one too?
How's everyone doing?
Obi Toppin.
We are at the bar. We're live. We're ripping. We're selling shoes on one side. We're ripping. Whoa!
Yeah, right to,
Knocking the camera.
Jesus.
We're knocking the camera over on one side.
I'm not used to this angle. I'm short, these seats. Josh Green. Maxie.
that's cool.
The Durantula. You didn't know his nickname was the
Yes, I
Durantula?
did. He's my favorite player.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. When
No,
he
you
scored 66 at Rucker Park 2012.
You don't know his nickname's the Durantula.
Angela. Yes, I do.
Dame time.
That's cool.
Davey Dimes.
Shy. Tough. Steph.
Fire.
Nice.
Lit.
Keeping
Total.
it
Total.
chill with the staff.
Tough.
Nate would like that one.
Oh, yeah.
Nate would love it.
Chef.
Talk to me,
Chef
boys and
Curry.
girls. Chef Curry. Chef Curry with the wrist.
360 with the wrist, boy.
You don't know about that? Cole Anthony. Obi.
Insert your base.
Dame time. Ooh. The glove.
Gary Payton.
Maxi. Durantula. They'll all get sleeved, don't
Gary
worry.
Payton a Hall of Famer?
Yes.
Is he already or is he going to be?
I'm almost positive he is.
He already is? Oh,
Yeah.
I'll look that up.
Yeah, Google that. Guys, can somebody say something real quick? Just so I know you guys can see. Can somebody just say something? Patrick Williams debut. I actually like they put the debut over here. And why?
Class of 2013.
Yeah. Hey, Jennifer. We were just talking about you, LeBron. Called you Jenny from the block. Jokic. You guys would love this spot. Look at this bar. Now I'm going to show you what's behind the bar. That's even more important. You guys trust me with the packs. You guys can see right down there. Real nice and simple bourbon bottles. Thank you. Real nice and easy. So you can tell we have some fun here. Got to make it an experience. How you doing, bud?
Good, are you?
Can't complain. Curry, national pride. Landry Shamet. Jesus. Oh, that's nice. Triple J, number to 99. Triple J, number to 99. Stairmasters and the person that doesn't have a team. I hate his guts.
The man who should not be named.
Yeah, exactly. Guy's a Finook.
The man who should not be named.
Don't even want to say it. Makes me sick. Remember that part in Donnie Brasco? Do you ever see that movie?
Oh, yeah.
So do you remember when Pacino, they're on the boat, and Pacino's aggravated because he thinks he's ratting, and he says, Donnie, go to the bow. Just go to the bow. I don't want to see you. That's how I feel about Ben Simmons. Go to the bow. Get out of here. What's up? Ooh, Lamelo? Lamelo. Lamelo or Lamelo?
First auto.
Josh Green.
Yeah.
Silver LaMelo.
Ooh! That's a kaboom!
Silver LaMelo.
Let's go!
Holy crap. 2 LaMelo pack. Is it a debut or no?
No.
Damn.
Where the hell's Charlotte? I can't even see. Seriously, where's Charlotte on this sheet? Come here, look at this.
Do you have any regular top?
Yo, there's no Charlotte here. Look at this. Oh, there it is. Bill, nice. Oh, Halliburton. Yo, this is a loaded pack. We're sleeving all these.
Lamelo.
Oh, those are taken.
He has them right there.
Oh, those are thick.
He's got them all figured out.
Wow.
Lamelo.
Very nice, Bill.
Several Lamelos.
That's heat.
2 LaMelo.
Big time.
Josh Green.
Fire.
Halliburton National Pride.
Dumb, it's fire.
It's lit.
It's lit.
It's like a bonfire fire.
Boom.
It's getting hot in here. It's getting steamy. The walls are steaming.
So you know what you do when it gets hot in here?
You open the windows.
Take off all your clothes.
Ah.
Jesus.
Song before you were born.
How do you not know that?
Because he wasn't born, John.
I'm a youngin.
He wasn't born yet when that song
I
came
was
out.
born when like Eminem was like starting to get big.
Yeah, did you hear the song we just quoted?
Yeah.
She didn't hear it.
Yeah.
She meant,
getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here. You didn't know the refrain. When you say it's getting hot in here, you didn't know the refrain. It's a problem, right? I agree. It's a problem.
Josh Green's not bad.
no, he's not horrible. Could be Josh Green.
Josh Green, yeah. He's not.
Could be better.
He's not.
Oh my God, I bait you, crumb.
There's only one auto.
Are you coming here tomorrow, or are you going to be a total? Are you going to continue being a crumb? Cut the sleeves off. This guy's as Delco as they get. He didn't even wear sleeves to his wedding. Wiseman.
Wiseman and Claire coming back.
Kira. God damn it. Quickly, debut. Shy. Trey, my dude. You know that's my dude, right? Ooh, PG. That's pretty cool. Center stage.
George Paul. Paul George. Playoff Paul, I think they call him.
Playoff P.
Well, that could be a lot of things. Has he had good playoff runs or bad?
Never.
Do you remember?
Nothing. He stinks.
Of course.
Yeah, exactly. He's horrifying.
He's great in the regular season, though. Horrifying. That's rough.
Yeah. Reggie Perry. They just found Reggie Perry at the Fairmount Park League in North Philadelphia.
How do they make a card of him?
Exactly. They just found him at the Fairmount Park League. Isaac Okoro. Nico. Damn.
Nico Man.
Isn't he in like China or Russia? He's out in one of those leagues.
Yeah, totally. He's not in the... Yeah,
I'm here, buddy. I'm here. Does this look like I'm at a show? I'm here.
You're a good salesperson, I must say. You're good.
Heat up, Dome! Halliburton rookie. Ooh, nice.
Ooh. Who's that?
Reggie Bullock.
Oh, nice.
Knickerbockers. 13 out of a Q.
Whites are cool.
Whites are cool.
Blacks are even better.
Like I like my coffee, dark and strong.
Like John likes his men. Dark
Exactly.
Can you get Genesis out of these?
Yes.
Are they rare? Like,
You
I
can
mean,
get
they're
peacocks.
101. Do the math.
You can get peacocks. You can get...
So do you think a 101 would be tough to hit?
yes.
Well, then there you go. There's your answer.
color. Every mosaic is color. That's
Yeah, exactly. Isaiah Stewart, my new favorite player. F.
Actually
LeBron.
punched LeBron in the nose.
Ooh, Ant-Man. National pride.
That's cool.
Wow. I'll be here tomorrow, you crumb. Promise. Steph. Nice. I love that card.
Chef Curry.
Box one complete.
Pretty good.
Make sure he looks online too.
Who's
All right, I will. I'll send you the link.
Who's that?
ShopOnSC.com.
Who's that?
Look.
Who is that?
This guy, he's busy. The guy's always busy.
Who is that? Is that Toenails?
Guy's always busy.
Joey Toenails. I'm over here working. What do you mean? What am I doing? I'm on the camera. What's the matter with you?
Listen, when you went to the show the other day, why didn't you tell me to open up the vault and grab 20 or 30 and come out there with you and just wish you could have cornered the market out there?
Because that wasn't in the vault. That was my walking around money. It was in my two front pockets. Don't you understand?
Yeah, well, let me invest 10 or 20 around to me.
That'll get you a size right.
Yeah, whatever.
Whoa! All right, Nails. I got to roll.
The camera's gone. You just trucked the camera.
He's my friend that harassed Beast.
It's the best.
Because he calls my phone and I delete it. I ignore it.
That's what happens.
Sorry to hear that, Dan. I got to not say anything about it. Ooh, nice. One of my people. Compazzo. Ooh! Come on! Beast!
Sweat it.
Beast!
Sweat it. We got a redemption.
Oh my God! Come on, we're gonna sweat the hell out of this. Come on, keep my inserts over here.
What do you need?
We're gonna sweat the hell out of this. Are you ready?
Come on.
Hey, buddy, come try it on.
Sorry, Landry Shamet, you're our sweat card.
Here it comes.
Oh my.
Let's go!
Let's do it.
Bill!
LaMelo's cleaning up.
Everything's all mellow in it.
Eat up!
Wow.
They put J.A. in the chair on purpose. These boxes were rigged.
That's right.
They were rigged.
They want you to get all the glory
Whoa!
and keep
Camera.
knocking the camera over to boot.
How many bourbons deep is this guy?
Get some.
Exactly, Bill. D-Book.
Damn.
Andrea, Frank was in today.
Oh, mellow.
Oh, there's Frank too, right there. Congrats, Bill. So pumped for you. I don't know if you're saying no shit to how many bourbons does this guy have because I've knocked the camera over 10 times, or no shit because the LaMelo's a beast, or that we rigged it for me to hit the LaMelo. Which one? Could be a lot of things. Okongwu. So, Andrea, we want to know if it's you or your husband. That's. I'm not a profile stalker, so I didn't know that Andrea could be cover for not Andrea. I know, Bill. Congrats, buddy. Do you believe that? You watched me hit a LaMelo?
Crazy.
How tough is that?
You got 2. It's 3. Silver.
Auto, though.
a
Come
base,
on.
And DR. That's crazy.
It's me, Andrea. Haha. Mike got me into it. Now I do breaks and buy cards more than him. So why has it... Dude, I'm... Who's that?
I don't know. Some kid.
Bowman Pub.
Jump
Were
you.
people trying to fight you?
No.
It was his brother.
Oh.
They were just gonna spray you with stinky spray. They sprayed us.
Stinky spray.
I don't even know what that means.
Smells like... You're on the camera right now. You're talking about farts.
Guys.
What are you doing?
Oh boy. Johnny's ripping. Everyone's yelling at him.
How long can you do it for?
Oh, my God. That's such a sick card.
Cassie. That's it.
Nothing crazy. Why haven't I met either one of you? Andrea or Mike?
You've met me.
No.
Oh.
You're on the camera. This is how we started.
Actually, just opening packs.
You didn't know that?
Wasn't it originally just cards?
Yep, that was it. We were one of the very first people to do this. Poku! Brown. Halliburton, debut.
I apologize.
It's okay. I'm just messing with you. Maxie, here we go. We got a... Oh, that's nice. Sick. Number to a quarter. Kevin Durant. That's sick. Stairmaster. Phil. Nice card, Phil. Kyle Lowry.
You guys bet tomorrow? You don't bet, do you? You don't bet.
Who would ever do that?
No, he invests in the probable outcome of sporting events.
Cowboys spread.
Because I'm able to read it.
Oh my God, are you declining already? Jesus.
Yes, I am. I don't pay my bills. There we go. This one's holy shit. Now I get to go get my dinner so I don't get in trouble.
Yeah. Oh my God. Come back tomorrow. I'm ready
Good luck,
tomorrow.
Johnny. I gotta go.
Be good. Thanks, Kyle.
Yeah, see you guys. Good luck, everybody. Although I don't know how much more LaMelos can be pulled.
Yeah,
Maybe a
right?
couple more. Why not?
Guys, a lot of these will be in soft sleeves. Don't worry.
How much is the what is it called? The box?
$1,000.
It's like insane, man. It's insane. Ours is basketball at $1.84. That's it.
Good question.
Would these be
Ooh, nice. LaMelo, National Pride Silver. Bill, you absolutely ate up.
second silver?
Yeah, the first was a regular. This is a National Pride.
Is that better?
No, the base silver. The true rookie is always better.
Unless it's like auto or not.
What?
Unless it's like auto or not.
Correct. Andrea, if you guys like barrel-aged bourbon beers, I gave Frank one to try. It's one of my favorites. I think he liked it. We got beers on ice up here. We'll have fun. Ooh, my dude. Trey, number to 49.
Trey.
You know that's my guy, right?
You saying that?
You didn't know that? You saw my Trey stash. Yes, you did.
When?
I brought it out for you guys before, didn't I?
No.
You never saw it?
No. Is it big?
It's nasty. I'll share with you. I'll show you. Trey's my dude. Oh, he's on the back. Trizay.
Oh my God.
Trey's a monster. He is. He's an absolute monster.
Who do you think better, him or Lucas?
I mean, they're different players, and
Yeah.
Luka has. I don't care what anybody says. Luka has way more help than Trey. Ooh, Ant-Man, nice. Trey's got acid on his team. Nice.
Oh.
Good old Bowman, number to 99.
Bowman.
Love Bowman. I'm gonna put Trey in his sleeve just because he's my dude. Do me a favor. Where? Here they are. We close at 7 and the store's full. Just so you guys know. Pretty cool.
More business.
I would love for more local people to come hang out. We have a great time here. And if you guys did, I would love to host breaks here. Like live with you guys here, sitting at the bar, having drinks, watching sports, talking about anything other than what we see on the news. We'd have a lot of fun. Somebody just came in. Oh my God. The kid's in a onesie. You see that?
Oh, I know his face. He's in a flannel onesie.
The hell's he wearing? I'm going to say ball's a little bit better, Bill. Oh, another LaMelo. Bill, you know what? I'm going to bring you on camera. Let's do it.
Come on.
Oh, we pulled a LaMelo. You saw it, right?
Redemption.
Yeah.
Yeah, Owen, I got you, dude.
Thank you.
Asshole. Zion. My God. People! Look at this place, bro. Yo, who wants hoodies, man? Yo, go grab the hoodies. Go grab a hoodie and put it in the picture.
Get that one from over there. Yeah.
Bring in the picture. Put it right there. Right there. Hold it up. Are you kidding me with these hoodies? Stop. Gotta rep the brand. Owen's rocking a hat that he got here. He took off a hat that he got here to put on another one. Let's go! stop.
He red drink.
Oh.
Brought it to the dry cleaners to get it on.
Wait, how did you get your hoodie, Andrea? Bill wants a 3X. Bill, how did you get your hoodie? Were you or your husband at the store? Because I'm upset. You guys haven't come to see me. You buy in all the time. You always chat. And I want to meet all the local people. Come on, you're killing me. You got to come to D-Town. Last box mojo. Good luck, everybody. What's up, Billy?
No. I keep the box.
You want it?
Yeah.
Sure. Tell your people you were ripping heavy. Friday or Saturday? That's awesome. I love to meet you guys. Owen's your nephew, Billy Scheibel?
Yeah, you didn't know that?
No, I had no idea.
Is he on the thing?
Yeah.
Hi, Shai. Yeah, he's my uncle.
Helge will be in the U.S. soon. Stop. Wait a minute. When is he? If Helge doesn't come here, I'm not giving him anything. I'm telling you that right now. If he doesn't come to this store, I will not give him any cards. It's a fact. Yeah, this is number 1.
Who has the Hornets?
Bill Lindquist. Long-time customer. Ooh, Ant-Man. Nice. Killian Hayes. We still don't know if he's good or not. I'm convinced. Oh, you can bring the kids, Andrea. Come on. We're not going to get that bad. Not during the day. Going to the Tampa show. Well, if he doesn't come here, I'm going to be really pissed at him. What's that?
Fear God. Show them on the camera. We got all new clothing in too.
Hold it down.
Right here, Cole?
Yeah.
So we got Fear of God in. Just came in. We got the shorts, the winter shorts. Then we got the sweatshirt too.
Let's go! Take him out. Can you take him out?
Yeah.
Oh, they're so cool.
All right, so yeah, these are they're rare too. They're sick. You know what they are, right?
Oh my God, another LaMelo! We're eating!
Silver base.
Dan.
Here we go. Simple.
Oh my God, another Ant-Man.
Right
Hold
here.
on.
Simple.
Woo! Wheezy!
Simple.
Let's go!
Essentials. Got the tag on too.
Stop!
Essentials.
Eat up!
And then we'll show them the sweatshirt. Why not?
Oh my God.
You like them? You like the colorway? Yes. Yeah.
Yo, listen.
Come on.
Get on board with our brand. Let's go!
Got the essentials.
I can't wait till somebody that's been in cards for 2 months opens a card and sneaker store and says they were the first one. Good luck.
Oh yeah. We got all colors coming in. We got green, dark green like our hoodies. If you guys know what our hoodies look like, we have a dark green color. That dark green over here.
The shorts?
Yeah. Shorts will be in dark green. We have the sweatshirts coming in for a sense with dark green. We have black, and then we have a gold coming too.
Woo! Wheezy!
So essentials is on lock, and then the sweatshirt is in here. You want me to take it out? It's kind of hard to take it out. The essential sweatshirts will come in all sizes too. Same with pants. Pants are like, if you know it's like if you have suit pants, that's how they go by. For
That's
sizes.
sick.
Like, I thought we'd throw a little sneak peek out there on Friday.
Got to.
Yeah, why not?
Why not?
Yeah, sorry. No mediums left. We're out of mediums, quality of large.
Oh my God, that's awesome, Bill. What are these idiots doing?
What just happened? They're right in front of us.
Bill, you got to send me some. I'll send you a hoodie. You send me some of yours. Tyrese! Thank you guys so much. Thank you. She can't hear me.
Come here.
Thank you.
We're not done.
Oh.
All right, come on. What do you think?
What's he want?
Yeah, what are you looking for?
Yo, come here. Let me
Listen,
give you-
Santa is bringing you cards, I guarantee.
Give him a pack of tops on me.
What?
No problem. No. Please, come on. Yeah.
Oh my god. What did you say?
Give me a fist pound.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You guys are the best.
Thank you.
Thank you. Such a great place.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you soon.
You guys get a live sneak peek. None of it's made up. Real stuff, dog.
Let's go. I went live.
Yeah.
Magic got another redemption.
All right. You better get me those CFB picks early.
Why? I'll be
Saturday. I'm Sunday.
I'll be here early.
Yeah, good. All right, I gotta go. Yeah, I love it.
Where you going? Dinner?
See you in the morning. See you, boys.
No,
Let's go.
Where you going?
Win. Yeah, I gotta go to dinner.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
He's in trouble.
Don't do anything I wouldn't do.
I have to go. My girlfriend's gonna kill me. That is the words I just heard.
Really?
Yeah.
Better tighten up, man. Better tighten up. People love you. Facts.
You gotta fucking be so mad. There's no way I'm gonna get it back.
Oh, let's go!
Is that a stained glass?
Yes!
Oh my god!
Jaw!
Morat!
Oh my god. I said jaw on the back. I didn't know it was stained glass.
Memphis Grizzlies, Brian.
D-Lo! I didn't see it. Come on!
What a card. For the
That's
basketball.
bang bang!
Skeet, skeet!
That's a huge card.
Eat up!
Dude, that's such a sick card.
Those 3 boxes have been crazy.
Mosaic's where it's at. It's a great product.
Oh my God!
LaMelo's and LaMelo, Auto, Ja.
Oh!
Come on!
Deal with the heat. Let me see it. He got a
Oh
John
my
Morant stained
God.
glass.
Filthy.
Unbelievable. Winners win.
It's a fact.
All right, see you guys tomorrow.
He's running.
He's
to the
running.
car. Yeah, he's running down the...
What's up, Jeremy?
I think you have a lot in this one. Maybe? No.
Don't look. It's more fun sweating it out.
Another Maxi.
Oh!
Let's go!
This is stupid.
3?
Dude, I love these cards.
Oh my God!
Introduction!
Bill, you had like one of the best breaks ever with us, man. This has got to be your best break ever with us.
Wow. Did you get all the autos yet or no?
No. There's one left. Right?
Yeah.
The boxing.
They pulled 2 stained glass.
There was 2?
No, this guy's saying he watched a break earlier and they pulled 2 stained glass.
That's sick. That one's dope.
That is dope. It's fire.
Lit.
Bang, bang.
Skeet skeet. Drip drop, raindrop, drop top. All day.
It's a fact.
It's a fact. Get hype. Let's go. Ooh. Denny, nice. Capanzo. All right.
2 left, 2 left. Oh, on the right? All right, here we go.
Are there retro autos in here too? Yeah. Big ones? Come on, let's go. Cole Anthony. Obi. Ooh!
The Joker!
Oh, it's a white?
It's a 25.
Number to a Q.
Second, third one?
20, yeah.
Third.
Dude, that
24
one's
out of
sick.
25.
With the white? Are
Oh
you
my
kidding me?
God.
That one's a dope one. Good player, too.
Yeah, he only won MVP.
Yeah.
Who's counting?
It's an underrated card.
Big time.
He's a sleeper for
He,
cards, too.
he shouldn't be a sleeper.
Yeah, but he's a oh, this is big.
Auto last pack.
Come on.
Last pack mojo! Nope, don't look.
I know.
Patrick Williams. This, God. Clint Capella's going to sweat it for us.
You should use the same laundry.
Oh. Obi. Come on. Is that it?
Rookie.
Oh, God.
Be well.
Wow. Is it? Why? What the hell? Oh, it's upside.
Damn it. I don't like it on top.
I don't like it on top either.
Ever?
That's acid.
They ruined that.
Yeah.
It looks horrible.
Devon Dotson.
They trolled us
There's
there.
an AI.
Jesus.
Horrible.
Obi, McDaniels.
It looks stupid.
It does look stupid.
It was a good rep.
That wasn't great.
Crazy.
You did call it. All right, guys, and just so you know, I'll give you a hit recap. This was a crazy 3 boxes. We got a load of stuff to sleeve up, but this was really fun. You guys got to see a break from the bar. Dotson auto, Jokic to a quarter, LaMelo silver, LaMelo, Ja Morant stained glass, Halliburton, LaMelo, Ant-Man, Lamelo or LaMelo?
That's one of the best breaks I've ever seen, man.
Boban, blue joint,
Oh, that's sick.
Ant-Man, Trey, my dude, Trey,
Pink? That's sick.
Lamelo silver, Durantula, bang bang skeet, number to a quarter.
Oh, yeah.
That's nasty.
That's a sick one.
Stairmaster, It's heavy.
Oh, yeah,
There
we'll just
he
throw that
is.
one in there.
How you doing? Ant-Man, Reggie Bullock to a Q, Tyrese,
Oh.
Josh Green, LaMelo, Tyrese.
Did they
there
do
he
different
is.
levels this year for it?
Guys, thank you so much. Hope you had fun. This will be posted right now, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Yo, get in the player break. Stop playing with me. Get in the player break. It's only $24. We want to hit you something huge. Let's go.